of Cuts football. 4 boxes. Good luck, guys. Four base. Four base. Got a jersey not numbered, the Buffalo Bills, Nathan Peterman. Buffalo's Nathan Peterman. Base. Base. Base with a Mike Williams /99 in there for the Los Angeles Chargers. Base. Got not numbered for the Giants, Evan Ingram. Giants, Evan Ingram. Base. Four base. Got number 210. Cut auto /10. Troy Aikman. Dallas Cowboys, numbered /10. Good hit. Troy Aikman. Numbered /10. Base. Base. Rookie auto for the Redskins /199, Jonathan Allen. Redskins, Jonathan Allen. 3 base. Last pack, box 1. Base. Finish out box 1. Give me just a sec. Number 2. Box number 2. San Francisco rookie, not numbered, Joe Williams. Joe Williams. Base. More base. More base. More base. More base. More base. Got number 2/149, the Giants, Sterling Shepard. Sterling Shepard. Base. 4 base. Got number 210 auto jersey, Joe Williams. Joe Williams. Base. More base. Got Cleveland Browns. You've got Deshaun Kaiser. Deshaun Kaiser. Base. Last pack, box 2. Base. Finishing out box number 2. Number 3. Box number 3. Box 3. Box 3. Give me just a second. Number 3. Base. Got number to 299, 3-colored 299. Eagles, Mac Hollins. Mac Hollins for the Eagles. Base. Or base. Base. Got Green Bay, number to 199. It's Kevin King. Green Bay, Kevin King. 3 base. Four base. Got your Kansas City Chiefs rookie running backs, Kareem Hunt. Kareem Hunt. Base. Base. Or base. Or base. Got 49ers rookie quarterback CJ Beathard. 49ers. Base. Finish out box 3. Base. Number 4, finishing out cuts tonight. Then we'll move on to some diamond icons. Base. More base. More base. More base. Rookie auto for the Eagles, Sidney Jones. 199, Sidney Jones. The Rams, you've got Josh Reynolds. Los Angeles Rams, Josh Reynolds jersey. Base. More base. Dual Patriots Chiefs, number to 99. Gronk, Travis Kelce. So we'll randomize that when we get done. Base. Or base. Number to 199. Carolina, 199. Curtis Samuel. 199. Curtis Samuel. Base. Base. Last pack. Cuts tonight. Base. One random, and then we'll move on to Diamond Icons Baseball. So your random, we got the Patriots and the Chiefs. And we will go 3 times like we always do. 3 times like we always do. Good luck, guys. First time the Chiefs. Second time the Chiefs. Third time going the Patriots, and the Gronk taking it. Gronkowski and the Patriots taking that one home. So that is going to do it on your certified cuts football.